The Philippine Air Force has formally received 2 more T129 Atak helicopters. The 2 aircraft will be used alongside the PAF's armed light observation and transport helicopters, enhancing the force's combat operational capability and addressing capability gaps in urban warfare. The units are the 5th and 6th Atak helicopters acquired in a $280 million deal between Turkey and the Philippines. Its sister aircraft were the first helicopters Ankara delivered to a foreign country. The T129 Atak fleet deal is part of the Horizon 2 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program, a 300 billion Philippine peso or $5.2 billion acquisition project to update the country's military posture. The T129 is an attack and multi-role combat helicopter currently under development for the Turkish Army, an enhanced version of the Augusta A129 Mangusta. The T129's development is now the responsibility of Turkish aerospace industries, with Augusta Westland as the primary partner. The Atak helicopter program started on July 2, 2008, with the aim of providing the Turkish Land Forces Command with Atak tactical reconnaissance helicopters. Under the program, after being customized according to user needs, 50 firm and 41 optional Atak tactical reconnaissance helicopters will be produced and delivered to the end users starting in the third quarter of 2013. The helicopters will also receive integrated logistics support for their whole life cycle. T129 helicopter has the capability of high maneuver and flight stability, excellent performance for high and hot conditions, 3 hours endurance, and long-range and all-weather day and night operations with the 5-bladed rotor system, wheeled landing gear, powerful advanced technology, L8 TEC T800 engines, new generation advanced FLIR sighting system, integrated helmet-mounted display, effective, precise and distinctive weapon systems, digital cockpit architecture, mission computers, and advanced flight and fire control systems. High performance, excellent maneuvering capability, asymmetrical weapon loading, low visual, aural, and radar signature, high level of crashworthiness, and ballistic tolerance enable T129 helicopter multi-role, excellent operational capability in the most hostile of battlefield environments. The T129's roles range from close air support, precision strike, deep strike, suppression of enemy air defense, security, urban warfare, and air-to-air warfare, Philippine Air Force. Notably, it is an all-weather platform and is designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions, in both day and night conditions. The procurement package includes training and logistics support, and an initial group of PAF pilots has undergone basic training and instruction on the T129s in Turkey, with more to follow. As it is in any case of procurement of new and sophisticated platforms, the integration or phasing in poses possible challenges in manpower, training, and sustainment. This new acquisition requires the PAF to dedicate more pilots and maintenance crews to fly and maintain the platforms for its day and night operations. Aside from the initial training of aircrew, recurrent training will have to be programmed regularly. Sustainment of operations will also have to be ensured through efficient service and logistical support. The 6 helicopter acquisition is part of the Horizon 2 component of the Armed Forces of the Philippines AFP Modernization Program, according to the country's National Defense Department. The T129s will be a force multiplier on the battlefield, supporting ground and maritime operations as assets of the PF's 15th Strike Wing. They will supplement the PF's fleet of armed, light observation and transport helicopters, as well as 2 Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopters from Jordan that were recently upgraded. This fleet of T129 Atak helicopters, which is one of the best and most advanced systems procured so far, is significant in the attainment of the AFP's goal of achieving a credible defense posture. The T129 will be deployed to address domestic and foreign threats, including extremist and separatist groups such as the Abu Sayyaf Group, the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, and the Communist New People's Army, which have conducted bombings, kidnappings, and other violence. For both internal and external security threats, the T129 attack helicopter is capable of doing air reconnaissance and providing firepower to give advantage to government troops and neutralize enemy forces as needed.